Yeah, man, done shit. You hear me? Young Stone, Trey the Chaz. You know, shout out to man, aka Lamar, Pop Taylor, my nigga Jermaine. You know, done shit to Marcus. You know, it go me and you 1-on-1, man. I'm gonna put say. Me and you, 1-on-1. Man, not better knock you out. Oh, the Chaz still whooping ass. Man, you wonder why I'm bad? Cause my hands too fast. Man, bust a nigga up. Let him back, bust him quick. They ass on the ground and getting this stumping in this remix, bitch. I know you try to take my song, but you jump in that water. Now it's time to do you wrong. Shit my hands good. Shit my hands there, folks. You call me jawbreaker when I'm knocking. Say, look, man, I'm just white out, but I'm feeling the same. You jump in that and stupid, but you scared to swing. When I knock you out, don't say you fell on your shoelace. Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. How you walk? The don't wait. You, 1-on-1. I can handle your little ass all by myself. Man, I'm ready. When you ready, man, you know I hang it. On my beats, weak his hands. I ain't got us playing shit. I let talking you be doing. You ain't really scared shit. Nigga know you really pussy. I ain't gotta say shit. I beat your whole clique. You don't wanna get me started. Tell the Marcus bring that cake. That's all I gotta say. You bucking that and stupid, so you just spray the whole play. Get the fuck out of my face, cause I'm hunting gunplay. You ain't fuck with the wrong nigga on the right day. Dumb shit.